Hello, and welcome to this week's Beginners English Vocabulary video. This week, we look at the vocabulary of 12 office items. Don't forget to test your knowledge with our quiz video, which will be coming soon. Anyway, let's get started with the first word. Computer. This is a computer. Desk. This is a desk. Printer. This is a printer. File. This is what we call a file. Calendar. Here is a calendar. This is a pen. This is a pen. Table. This is a table. Telephone. This one is a telephone. Tablet. This is a tablet. Meeting. This is a meeting. Here is a clock. This is a clock. This is a mouse. Here is the mouse. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about office items and their vocabulary, please send a message in the comments below. Don't forget to like our video to help us gain more viewers and to expand our channel in order to provide you with an even better experience. Why not hit the subscribe button and bell notification icon so you never miss our future videos? Our quiz video is coming soon, so why not test your knowledge by watching this to test your knowledge you have learnt today. Thank you again for joining us today, and we'll see you again next week. Goodbye.